My YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be working with this Ankara fabric. If you have a leftover fabric at home that is not up to 1 year, this video is for you. No material need to be thrown away. This head wrap is for you. This one is not up to 1 year, so the length is about 43, while the length here is 26. So we are going to do a head wrap with this one, a very simple one at that. So let's dive into the tutorial. You take it like this, and you're going to have it like this on your head. Place it up like this. So you see this one at the back here, this one at the back here. You take it, you tuck it in, bring it here at the front. Then you tie a knot here. It's a very simple head wrap. Knot here, and just cross it like this, tuck it in, and you still take this one and tuck it in. So this one here, this leftover, just arrange it, and you're going to use it to cover this place. So you see it. Then look for a place and tuck it in at the back there. So you tuck it in. And just what you need to do, you just have to raise this part up like this. Raise it up like this. So we're going to take this one. Take this one from here. You just push this one in, left over there, and take this one, take it. So you go for place and tuck it in on here. Then you start adjusting this side to your own feet, the way you want it to look like. Look at how simple it is. Voila, guys, this is really cute. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try something like this for your next church service or your party. So just let me know in the comment section. Look at the back. This is really cute. This is beautiful. Thank you all for your support. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. I wish you all the best. Bye. See you on my next video.